Hello, my beautiful friends. How are you doing? I hope you are doing very well. My name is Tia Barnabe. Muraho neza, nongeye kuba ikaze mu ishuri ryacu ry'icyongereza, aho tugiye kwigira ibintu byiza kandi biryoshye. Please, reba ino video from now until the end. Tugiye kurebera hamwe uburyo washyira interuro mu cyongereza. I have for you this sentence and we're going to put them in English. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. Please, how can you say it in English? Ndi mu nzira ndaje. Ndi mu nzira. Me. I am. Ndi mu nzira. On the way. On the way. Ndi mu nzira. I am on the way. Ndaje. I am coming. Or I'm coming. Ndi mu nzira ndaje. I am on the way. Ndaje. I am coming. Mfite inyota. How can you say it in English? Mfite inyota. Cyangwa kubwira umuntu ufite inyota wabigenza gute? Mfite inyota. Wabivuga gute mu cyongereza? Mfite inyota. Uravuga ngo I am or am thirsty. I'm thirsty. I'm thirsty. Cyangwa kuvuga ufite inyota uravuga ngo I am thirsty. I am thirsty. Then mfite akazi kenshi uyu munsi. Mfite akazi kenshi uyu munsi. How can you say it in English? Mfite akazi kenshi uyu munsi. Uravuga ngo I have mfite I have akazi kenshi, a lot of work, a lot bivuga kenshi, a lot of work today. Uyu munsi, today, in one word. I have a lot of work today. Mfite akazi kenshi uyu munsi. Mfite, I have akazi kenshi, a lot of work today, uyu munsi. Then, subiramo. Ushaka kubwira umuntu ngo subiramo. Niyo zivuga ngo repeat again. Repeat again. Repeat again. Subiramo. Cyangwa se ukamubwira ngo come again. Come again. Come again. Come again. Uvuze ngo iki? Come again. Subiramo. Yes. Would you mind repeating again? Yeah, like that. Ndimo kwiga icyongereza buri munsi. Ndimo kwiga icyongereza buri munsi. Uravuga ngo ndi njyewe. I am. Ndi. I am present continuous. Ndimo kwiga icyongereza buri munsi. I am running. I am running English every day. Every day. I am running English every day. Ndimo kwiga icyongereza buri munsi. Please, niba ukunze rino somo, please like, share, subscribe to our channel. Please, you can even reach us via WhatsApp 079 192 85. Then we study English together. You can even scroll down. We have a lot of basic video and we have started the advanced video for those who want to learn English very well.